Hi everyone, the results are out again, and with every attempt, if you're not able to qualify, of course, this thought prompts in your head that is it getting tougher? I'm taking too many attempts, should I quit it? Right? So, today we'll break it down, analyzing the numbers or other factors and what that really means for your career. Stick around, the truth actually might surprise you. Basically, why do we call a course tough? Students pass नहीं हो रहे तो or if the exam difficulty level is increasing, well, though the course is actually getting difficult, ये सच्चाई है, the real reason isn't any of the two, because it's actually getting tougher only and only for some students. क्या बात कर रहे हो मैम, मतलब सबके लिए टफ नहीं हो रहा है? In fact, the pass percentage, though it keeps on fluctuating in every attempt, this attempt has generated more students who passed compared to earlier attempts. तो यार रिजल्ट तो अच्छा आ रहा है, good result. But the papers were difficult and they're not even giving liberal marks. So that is what makes the course difficult. Now that's what you think. I will tell you a very honest line. हाफ हार्टेड प्रिपरेशन का टाइम खत्म हो चुका है. So if you are preparing for this course half-heartedly, then you are bound to face the setback. CMA में फेल होना doesn't mean you're not intelligent. It means you lack discipline and direction. दिल पे हाथ रख के बोलना क्या ये बात सच है आपके केस में. And though the exam papers are challenging, it's not because the questions they are making very difficult questions, but because they're changing that typical trend. What is this? What is that? That is not being asked. Of course, institute's expectation is still in a certain way rigid, but then it is a myth that institute is making tougher papers every time. Institute is just not copying the same questions that you expected. The evaluation has become more application oriented and selective. CMA exam is no longer like writing definitions and mugging theory and solving the repetitive past questions. Now it has become about conceptual clarity, presentation, time management, institute expected language and structure. So that is why students feel that it's getting tough for every attempt. Because most of the failures are actually not happening because of lack of knowledge, but happening because of wrong structure, missing keywords, no working notes, poor interpretation, right? Or maybe if you're attempting for both the groups, then you're not able to divide the time evenly. आप revision को ignore करते हो, you burn out before exams, and the ultimate result is that neither group actually crosses that aggregate which is needed. तो स्टार्ट तो बहुत जोश में होता है राइट, बट देन यू लूज दैट कंसिस्टेंसी आफ्टर 30-40 days. उसके बाद बहुत कम रिविजन एंड प्रैक्टिस इवन लेसर, भूल ही जाओ. सो CMA इज नॉट हार्ड, इट इज अनफॉरगिविंग टू इनडिसिप्लिन. अब इनडिसिप्लिन अगर है लाइफ में तो फिर सोचना पड़ेगा. And if I talk about the CMA opportunities, they are also expanding, not shrinking. Okay, this is where the students need a mindset shift. CMAs are required in corporate finance, cost optimization, pricing strategies, startups में चाहिए, IPO जो ready companies हैं वहाँ पे चाहिए, insolvency, restructuring, right? We have compliance. There are so many data-driven decision roles, management. They're needed a lot of places. ठीक है, और अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ बहुत ग्रो कर रही हैं. पर कंपनीज को ना सिर्फ डिग्री होल्डर्स नहीं चाहिए. दे वांट द प्रोफेशनल्स हु कैन थिंक, because at many places you can be replaced by the professional of a sister concern. So that is exactly why the papers are analytical, the evaluation is strict, rote learners are actually filtered out, which is a प्लस पॉइंट फॉर यू. तो डिफिकल्टी इज अ फिल्टर, बैरियर नहीं है. अच्छा है ऐसा कर रहे हैं. अब सोल्यूशन क्या है? We understand, okay, fine, we need to change our mindset, we need to change our approach, right? We need to think about a lot of perspective which maybe we are missing out, and that's why we feel that okay, CMA exams difficult ho rahe hain, ya course difficult ho raha hai, ya cheeze restrict kar rahe hain. No, that's not the case, right? What you should do is, first of all, of course, take good guidance, right? Take good classes. Don't just go for the cheap ones or the fast ones or the quick ones कि बस 50 घंटे में मेरी तो सारी पढ़ाई हो जाए. No, that's not what the approach should be. The classes should be something which are teaching you in entirety. Okay, now when I'm talking about classes, of course, I would like to give one piece of information that many students are asking for. कि मैम क्या बात है, रिजल्ट आ गया बट देयर इज नो डिस्काउंट, तो ऐसा नहीं है. वी हैव अ डिस्काउंट सेल विच इज गोइंग ऑन, राइट. एंड फॉर दोज हु डोंट नो, आई डोंट जस्ट प्रोवाइड द क्लासेस बट आई प्रोवाइड कंप्लीट solution for a subject which actually destroys the results because students take it lightly. तो यार लॉ को lightly नहीं लेना है. First of all, we go for the concept learning, we have revision, we have question practicing, we have test series, all in one, you can say. तो if you wish to start your journey, और ये आपको लगता है कि रिपीट करना है फॉर सम रीज़न कि मैम पहले क्लासेस लिए थे बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ वैसा नहीं हुआ, वॉट एवर यू विश टू डू, whether it's CMA final or it's CMA inter, right, and you're looking for classes, you can check our website bookmyvideo.in, जिसकी छोटी सी झलक मैंने अभी दिखाई थी. The complete English and mix of Hindi, मतलब 100% English as well as a mix of Hindi and English. Both are available at discounted prices. And we have made a lot of combos also. Amazing combos are available. So you can share this with anyone who needs it. For more information, you can connect to our team at 8970707077. Now coming back to our video. Once you're done with classes, once you've got the guidance, you have understood the subject in entirety, you have practiced the subject, you have revised the subject, now is the time of consistency. Consistency means 3 to 4 hours daily in the very beginning phase. And this only has to increase and not decline. No motivational drama. It has to be a consistent and strict routine. No negotiation at all. आज ये कर ले वो कर ले, है ही नहीं scope. If you don't do that, then maybe you are preparing to fail, right? So एक weekly revision rule should be there. You have to revise weekly, right? That is why, that is the only way to retain the subject, whether it's any subject. In theory, you need more revision to retain, right? Thirdly, practice like your exam. Timed answers, past MQPs, writing practice is non-negotiable. If you do not know how to manage your time in those 3 hours, how fast I should write, how much I should write, when I should stop, when I should move on, then you are actually taking a risk. You are in your exam hall, you're doing and playing the trial and error. Ho gaya to ho gaya. You're not prepared at all, right? So you have to prepare yourself. CMA is getting tougher, I agree, but only for those जो अपने comfort zone से बाहर नहीं निकलते हैं, ठीक है? Consistency, discipline and the right guidance, ये 3 चीज़ें मिल जाएं तो CMA definitely आपसे दूर नहीं रहेगा. It will be yours. And at the end, I just want to conclude that maybe the ways are changing, maybe the questions are changing, maybe the approach is changing, maybe the expectations are changing, maybe they have been asking very similar and repeated questions, but now they're giving tougher questions. But the result, they have been beautifully generating the result. They have been giving opportunities to those who wish to take them, right? So be a right student, and undoubtedly this course is not going to be tough. Undoubtedly it's tough, but it's not getting tougher every day. It is for tough students like you, and I am sure you will take the wise decision. You will be consistent and you're going to come out really shining and bright, right? All the best.